Hello friends, in this video I will guide you how you can create your first Power Automate desktop flow. Power Automate desktop is also called RPA, so please don't get confused with this word. So to create Power Automate desktop flow, you need to install Power Automate desktop on your machine. Okay, so I have installed that app, so it is on my machine. Yes, open it. So this is the Power Automate desktop app. All the flows which we have already created will be visible here in the my flows. Since I have not created a flow on this environment, so this is empty, I can create new flow. You create, it will take little time. Yeah, so this is kind of a designer. Yeah, all the actions will be visible in the left panel. Some actions you are already familiar if you have worked with Power Automate earlier. Yeah, there are some other new actions as well which are specific to Power Automate desktop. So in this demo, I will open a browser, we'll open a URL, and then we will close it. Okay, so let's add action, launch a browser. This requires a URL. I will pass a URL, the URL I want, this one. There are some other options like window state. So it will be a normal browser window or maximized. So I will select maximized. The variable it will produce is browser. So this instance will be stored in this browser variable. How we can use this variable in the further processing, I will tell you. Okay, save it, we'll run it. Okay, so it has opened a browser and it has also opened that URL which I have passed. I will close it manually now. Okay, we can also close this browser using Automate text. So I will select one action, close browser. Okay, so this requires a browser instance. So since we have only one instance where we are opening the browser, so that instance is stored in this variable, so it has automatically pick up that instance. Save it and we'll run it. So first it will open the browser and it has also closed the browser. Yeah, so this was very simple first Power Automate desktop where we have opened the browser and closed the browsers. In upcoming videos we will see other actions. Thank you.